Guys get the idea that to be a good lover, you have to have this humongous penis. No, honey, but bigger is not better because the top two-thirds of the vagina has no nerve ending. Hello and welcome to Talk Sex. I'm your host, Sue Johanson, and my mission in life is to promote sex education. Let's go. Vaginal parts. Penis thrusting in vagina, right?
I get it.
The vagina's a dead-end street. The air's got to go somewhere. So you're having vigorous, great sex. Oh, boy.
Yes, I'm a dirty old lady.
And all of a sudden she goes... and you're so embarrassed.
I have a quick question. I was told by someone who's dating a dentist
Yes?
that the dentist told him that if she looks into the back of the throat of her female patients, that she can tell whether or not they have oral sex, and particularly if they swallow a lot. Is that true?
There are going to be an awful lot of people in an awful lot of trouble if that's true. Is he using condoms for bum sex?
No.
Lisa, think.
Yes.
He is putting his penis in your rectum.
Uh-huh.
That rectum has feces in there. Feces are loaded with bacteria. Now he's going to pick up some of that bacteria, and then he's going to have intercourse with you. You're going to get the infection.
Oh my God.
Next question.
Yeah, I am 6 months pregnant, and I've heard that if you have sex, that the penis can hit the baby's head.
No. The baby is in the uterus, right? There's a cervix there. The cervix is still closed. Now, the baby is in the uterus, and it's bobbing around in there having a lovely time. And the baby will say, "Oh, hey, Ma's rocking the boat." The key is prevention. Safer sex every time, all the time. Condoms. They'll do the trick.